Hey guys, it's Kim. Welcome back to today's video. So today is my very first BoxyCharm unboxing. Guys, I have never had a BoxyCharm. I was honestly like, I don't know, like, do I really need a subscription? And I also in the past have been kind of like about subscription services because I get a lot of stuff in PR and I'm like, I don't know, like, is it worth it to get one? So BoxyCharm actually emailed me and they offered to send me their monthly BoxyCharm, and I was really excited to kind of get a feel for the box and share it with you guys and kind of experience my first like subscription box. And I have seen BoxyCharm everywhere, like everyone talked about it and it's all over Instagram. I've seen other people's unboxing. I couldn't even believe that they contacted me. I was like, me? What? Like, that was pretty crazy. So I'm gonna do an unboxing, talk a little bit about like what BoxyCharm is if you guys don't already know, even though I'm sure you already do. Let's get on into it. And if you guys have not subscribed yet to my channel, I hope you will. It's the first link down below in my description box. Also, make sure you guys tap that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Let's get on into my very first BoxyCharm unboxing. Let's see if this box is worth it. Alright guys, so you're probably like, well, what the heck, why does the video look different? I had to switch to my vlogging camera because my big regular camera that I usually film with my Canon, the battery just died and I don't have time to wait for the battery to charge. That's that, but a little bit more about BoxyCharm. So BoxyCharm is $21 a month beauty subscription service and you get full-size products. So let me know what you guys think about like the price and everything. What I've seen, because I also have the March box, which I'll actually share with you guys, they sent me both. Even though I already know what's inside, I still think in case you guys want to see like what came and kind of an idea of 2 months worth of product. 4 to 5 full-size products. It's worth over $100 and they also have free shipping. So I actually have a affiliate link if you guys want to check it out down below and sign up for BoxyCharm. You don't have to use it if you don't want to, full disclosure, but it's there if you guys want to possibly sign up for BoxyCharm. So here's March's box. They all come in this little box in the mail, and the theme for March was La Vie en Rose. And that reminds me of A Star is Born. I just watched that a couple nights ago. It was so good. I hadn't seen it before. I didn't see it in theaters. So it reminds me of when Lady Gaga sang that song. Really cute. It comes with a postcard. It tells you what comes in the box. So I'll go through everything with you guys. The first thing is this Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. And this is actually my first item I've seen from Wander Beauty. I've seen a couple of girls try out their stuff on Instagram, so I've always been curious. And this is from the Victoria's Secret model Lindsay Ellington. She made her own beauty brand. I always get a little nervous with masks because lately they've just been like burning my face. I've been trying to stick with sheet masks. And sometimes peel off masks, they do hurt me. Like they're very intense. So I'm gonna have to see what I think of this. It's called Lift Off. And it says it retails for $34. So that's more than the entire box for one product. It says it has acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen. I like that word, mangosteen. Green tea leaf extracts, and it purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oil is drawn out. Okay, I need that because yesterday I was touching my face and it was like pure oil was coming off on my fingers. It says it has kaolin clay, minimizes pores. Okay, and it's rose gold. It dries quickly, it peels off effortlessly. We will see about that. I never can peel off masks effortlessly. I'm always like, oh, and like my face is like bright red. So that is the Wander Beauty mask. We'll definitely try that out for my spa night. Then we have a mascara. This is the Manna Kadar Beauty Bloom Volumizing Mascara with this very cool, pretty packaging. It's like twisty, it's rose gold, and I've never heard of this brand before. It says Manna Kadar's Blue Mascara delivers an intense lengthening and volume effect to your lashes. It also has a built-in primer. It's cruelty-free, it grabs hard-to-reach lashes, and it says it's $29. Holy moly. $29? That's a lot. That's like more than like Lancome mascaras. I hope this is good for that MSRP. I love trying out new mascaras, so we'll see about this one. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Monaco. This color is definitely not a color I would wear. It's like a metallic reddish rose kind of color. I don't think this is very flattering on me personally. It's not feather, one step, no need for lip liner. It retails for $20. I do like the Ofra liquid lipstick formula, but this color, I don't know about it. But it is really cool that they put Ofra in the box, and I do like their new packaging. These two products are the ones I was like most excited about, I think. And this is from Moda. It's their Powder and Soft Glow brush set, and I thought these brushes look so nice. So this one kind of looks more like a powder, and then this one is more of a highlighter brush. Love the shape of this brush. Actually, let me open it up so I can show you guys. This brush is so cool. I do not have a brush that's like this long and interesting. This is really cool for highlighter. It's definitely soft and a little more like on the flimsy side, like it's not so stiff, but I feel like for a nice soft glow that will be really nice. And I like the handles. And then this is the powder brush. Oh my gosh, they are so soft, like insanely soft. This one's super nice for pressing powder into the skin. I would also use this for bronzer too. I like to use my powder brushes kind of as like multi-purpose. So I think you can get Moda at Walmart, but it says these are $29.99. Wow. $30 for two, so $15 per brush if we're getting technical. Rose gold tapered handle, synthetic brush hair. I like synthetic brushes. They do really well with like liquids and cream products, but I would probably use these mostly with powder products. Okay, so I really like this brush set from Moda. Very excited to try those out. The last item, this is like the piece, like the big piece of this whole box this month. So it is a Cover FX face palette, really nice packaging, and this is the Perfector face palette. So let's see how much this retails for. This retails for $45, and it says it's a must-have complexion essential, and it's supposed to be like travel friendly, towel free. Love that. It has contour blushes, highlighters. Okay, so let's check this out. This is the last item in the March box. And let's see, look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, what the heck? This actually is perfect for travel. You get everything you need in here. So you get a highlighter here. So this is more like a medium tone. Then here you get a brightener, which would probably be more of a highlighter I would use. Then you get a finishing powder. Has like a little bit of shimmer to it, which is nice. Curious how though that would be on the skin. Like, would that get in your pores? I'm gonna have to try that. Get a really pretty contour shade. I definitely can see myself using that. A very bright blush, like a bright pink, which will be pretty for spring. And then you get another highlighter in here. These I think would probably be best for more of like a medium skin tone, and then this one's more if you're fair. So this palette is so cute. I love the print of the powders. That is really interesting and unique. So this itself, $45 for this palette, and everything in this box you paid $21 for if you get this monthly. So that's pretty amazing value right there. I mean, I definitely think I might be becoming a BoxyCharm believer after seeing like the value that you get. It's really good. Alright guys, so moving on to April's box, which is the newest box. This is the one that I have not opened yet. I wanted it to be a surprise, and I think going forward, if I do get more BoxyCharm boxes, I will not open it because I want it to be a surprise for me and for you guys. Okay, so here is April's box, and I don't even know what the theme is, but I'm not going to look also at the other side of the card because that shows you all the products. The theme for April is peace, love, and boxy, and I guess it's all like festival theme, which is cute because it is festival season and like Coachella time. I'm excited to see what's in this box, and I already see something I am so excited about. But the first thing is this Beauty for Real. Is this like an eyeliner pen? It's called Finish Line 24/7 liquid eyeliner in jet black. I have never heard of this brand, so I'm assuming it's a new brand. I'm gonna try and not peek, but look for it on here. Okay, so this is the mistake-proof pen. Creates a clean line. Tapered brush makes it easy to apply. Thick to thin, smudge and budge resistant wear, and it says it MSRPs for $16. Very curious to see how this performs. I am so picky with my black liners. I like more of the flexible felt tip rather than the stiff felt tip. I feel like those kind of drag and pull, whereas something say like the NYX Epic Ink, I'm hoping it's gonna be more like that. I just want to open it up and see like what the brush is like. Okay, so it's definitely more of that type of felt tip that I don't love. It has more of that stiffer brush rather than that soft, like, it's hard to explain, it's more like a brush felt tip. But I will definitely give this a go and see what I think, and I'm always open to trying new brands. Beauty for Real. It says it's based in Miami, so that's pretty cool. Okay, then we have some brushes here. I love that they give brushes every month. I love brushes. I love building up my brush collection, and these are from Luxie. I love Luxie brushes. This is the Summer Days brush set, and the packaging on this is so cute, very festival appropriate, so it fits in well with the theme of the box. And it has this cute little like Ferris wheel on it, and you get in here, let's see, the large shader, the small smudger, and the 512 small contouring brush. $28. This brush I feel like is a really nice shape for getting in the contour, especially if you have maybe like a smaller face, because the brush is so small. So I feel like it'll fit into that little crevasse well. This is like a shader brush. I use these types of brushes for my brow bone highlight. I can never have enough large shader brushes. And then this guy is a nice like synthetic flat brush, which I think is perfect for packing on glitters, which is so like appropriate during festival season. So I love all three of these, and you can see how cute the brush handle is. It has like this very pretty pink, and then it goes down to this like yellow. So these are so cute, and I also like the little gold ferrule. So it retails for $20, and it says experience length, definition, and curl retention with Butter London's Power Up Mascara featuring all day wear, and it says it's an oil-free blend of nourishing waxes, and it says you can add thickness and volume without clumping, and it also has jojoba extract, and it's supposed to not smudge or flake. So I will definitely try this out. I have 2 new mascaras now to try out and see how this is. I don't think I've tried any cosmetics from Butter London, not that I can think of, so I'm very interested to try this out. Okay, then this is a really exciting one. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. I have a couple of these. These are like blinding fun glittery highlights, and this is in the shade Summer Haze, and I believe this brand is owned by that guy Mac Daddy. He's like a makeup artist on Instagram, and I think these are like 20-something dollars. This retails for $27, and it says it is a vegan cruelty-free loose powder highlight, and it says creates a subtle luminous finish. So I'm excited to see what this color looks like in here. Let's check it out. Okay, this looks really like a fun color. It's kind of like a coral shade. It took me forever to get the sticker off the little sifter, but I'm gonna do a swatch of this on a brush on my arm so you guys can see what the shade looks like. Oh, it's very pretty. This is like perfect for summer. I feel like if you have a tan, this will look so beautiful. Can you guys see that? So you guys can see that it is kind of like a corally shade, more like a corally orange kind of shade. I definitely see why they called it Summer Haze. I feel like when I have a tan, this will look really pretty. I also feel like this would look beautiful on medium to deep skin tones, like gorgeous highlight, very sun-kissed. So this is so cool that they included this in the box. I mean, great value, full size. So far, I'm thinking this is definitely worth it. So that was pretty awesome. And then moving on to the last item in the box. This is also like the big item of the month. It is a pressed pigment palette. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. It is the Pure Festival palette. And I know that Pure teams up a lot with BoxyCharm and kind of makes like their own custom palettes just for Boxy. I looked at the colors on the back, and I'm already loving the color scheme. Pattern on the packaging, love, so fun. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so pretty. Look at those colors. Oh, I love this. And you get these really cool like pressed glitters. Okay, so we have Free Spirit, Psychedelic, Good Vibes, Peace, Epic, Gypsy, Wild Child. The pressed glitter is called 24 Karat Magic. I'm gonna have to find a way to like apply those. Like I'm wondering what is the best method to apply them. I guess like a glitter glue. Fireworks is this next pressed glitter. Then we have Sunset, Hidden Desert, and All Night. I wanna just do like a little swatch. That's Epic. That one is like the perfect crease shade. Then we have Free Spirit. Really pretty lid color. I'm sorry if my swatches are getting probably washed out. There's Free Spirit. See, Good Vibes. Ooh, those are so pretty. Peace. I love these. These are like those kind of like summery burnt, warm colors. Let's do one of the bright ones. Let's do Wild Child, that bright pink. Okay, who's ready for this? Oh my gosh, that's intense. Wow, I am impressed. Very impressed with the pigmentation. I'm gonna dip my finger into the glitter. Oh my gosh, you guys. What? That is, oh, it is so nice, that glitter. It kind of has like an oily base to it, probably so it sticks together better and goes on better. I love all these colors, like those glitters. I want to swatch this other one, Firework, and see how that is, because these have me excited. Ooh, that one's fun too. I am so excited to like play with this and create some looks. I'm totally eyeing like the purple and the pink and doing like a glitter, fun glitter with that and doing some cool festival looks. So I definitely think this palette is so fun and just kind of inspiring me, which is always nice because a lot of things look the same now. So it's kind of nice to get something a little bit different. So this retails for $36. I just want to add up like the total retail value of everything in this box just so we can like have an idea. Total box retails for $127. BoxyCharm is $21 a month, so I think that is pretty good. I definitely am becoming a BoxyCharm like fan and believer. Like I'll admit before I was a little bit skeptical, but the value is there. Like you get a full-size pure palette, like that's pretty amazing. This actually I think will be my first pure eyeshadow that I will ever try, so I can't wait to test out their eyeshadow formula. You also get the Diamond Glow Powder, mascara, the liner, the brushes. So overall, I think it is a great value and I'm definitely impressed for sure. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys get BoxyCharm or if you're interested in getting BoxyCharm. I'm very curious to hear your guys' thoughts on like beauty subscription boxes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this BoxyCharm unboxing video for April 2019 as well as March 2019, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, if you want to sign up for BoxyCharm or check it out, I'm going to have my link in the description box to sign up. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!